Nneka Oluwatoyin Folashade Chukwura, popularly known as Clara Chukwura, is a famous and multiple award-winning Nollywood actress, model, television personality, entrepreneur, and a philanthropist. She was born on 24th July 1964 in Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. She is currently 53 years old. Clara Chukwura was born as the only daughter in a family of 4 children. She is very beautiful, gifted, skillful, creative, and talented in acting and interpretation of movie roles, and can fit in any character given to her by movie directors and producers in Nigeria. She is originally from Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria, but was born and bred in Lagos State in the southwestern part of Nigeria. Clara Chukwura completed her primary school education in Lagos State, Nigeria, and obtained her first school leaving certificate. After completing her primary school education, Clara Chukwura proceeded to Queen of Rosary College in Lagos State, Nigeria, and obtained her West African Senior School certificate. After completing her primary and secondary school education, Clara Chukwura proceeded to Obafemi Awolowo University in Ile-Ife, Osun State, in the southwestern part of Nigeria, and graduated with a bachelor's degree in dramatic art. She was recognized as a United Nations Peace Ambassador for her charity work across Africa. She was the first Nigerian to win the Best Actress category at the 1982 FESPACO Film Festival in Burkina Faso. She started her acting career in 1979 and started appearing on NTA television series. Before Nollywood was established, Clara Chukwura was already a household name. In 2003, Clara Chukwura acted in the Nollywood blockbuster movies Egg of Life alongside Nkiru Sylvanus and Georgiana Onoha. She became a public figure after starring in the Nollywood blockbuster movie Abuja Connection alongside with Ngozi Ezeonu and Yukere Anunobi. She is the mother of Nigerian famous music director Clarence Peters. Clara Chukwura has acted in more than 250 Nollywood movies, which include Midnight Love, Money Power, Abuja Connection, Egg of Life, Mirror in the Sun, Delilah, Fairy Force, Money Power, Farewell to Babylon, Yemoja, Apaye, etc. She acted mostly as a mother, housewife, and mother-in-law in Nollywood movies alongside with Beth Edochie, Olu Jacobs, Justice Ezeri, Yukere Anunobi, Ngozi Ezeonu, Patience Ozokwo, and other top Nollywood celebrities. She is currently one of the most gifted, most skillful, and most creative and most talented actresses in Nigeria. She knows how to interpret her roles very well and can fit in any character given to her by movie directors and producers in Nigeria. She is currently the mother of the legendary Nigerian music video director Clarence Peters. Clara Chukwura has been conferred a traditional chieftaincy title of Ada Eje Jemba I of Onitsha by the Obi of Onitsha in Anambra State in the southeastern part of Nigeria. She has won the Legends of Nollywood Award at the Nollywood 20th Anniversary celebrations. In 1982, she won the Best Actress of the Year at the All African Film Festival in Burkina Faso. In 1997, she won the Best Actress Award for Glamour Gears at the Afro Hollywood Awards. In 2001, she won Best Supporting Actress Yoruba at the Tema Awards. In 2001, she won Best Actress at the Labatino Film Festival in Mexico. In 2003, she won the African Cinema Award. In 2004, she won Best Actress at the Ray Awards. In 2014, she won Best Actress in Eleduru at the African Movie Academy Awards. Clara Chukwura is currently one of the richest and most influential actresses in Nigeria with an estimated net worth of $900,000.